Today, we're looking at how to use progress photos to drive engagement. This is R&E Fockingham Joinery Manufacturers, and they are based in Yorkshire. And what they do is they use Facebook very much as a way of showing, the craftsmanship, how the services that you can acquire through them work in practical terms. And they do a lot of, sort of like before and afters. They do quite a lot of showing the feedback that they get, that kind of thing. But really what I loved was actually this. This got them more engagement than any of their other posts recently. So it says, we love to see progress pictures from site, especially when a project starts to become visual from plans. And then they go into the detail about the Accoya bifold, including top and side lights. It's looking splendid, while sympathetically making the most of the beautiful surroundings. So this is basically, a photo on site showing how the work is actually progressing. And it's had 37 engagements, 2 comments and 1 share, which again is more than quite a lot of their other ones. And who doesn't love a progress picture, especially of an area that I guess most of us, would love to have like a dream home. And this looks absolutely gorgeous. And I think the caption goes into a lot of detail about what the work itself has actually done. And I think it really encourages people to get involved and appreciate their craft. So always make sure that you're sharing progress pictures as things start to become, I guess, a lot more visual and the dream is realized, if you like. Now, if I was these guys, one of the things that I'd want to do is to start understanding how my social media was working for me. So what I would do is I would go to the Maybe platform and go into the dashboard. And on there, what you would expect to see if that post got the most engagement, that would be here on the best post section. And what I would do if I was them, I would compare myself to another joinery manufacturer. I would compare myself with maybe a building contractor, someone like that, someone in a similar field who I guess, I could start to compare and contrast and understand what was working for me and what wasn't. Now, as always, if you've got any questions, click on the little blue button. We love to help.